I'm going to show you something I learned when I was learning guitar to make open chords sound so cool and make you sound better than you are. Without a bunch of theory, you don't have to know what the notes are. You just have to think of 3 frets, and you can apply this to any chord. My name is Brandon. This is MyPOVGuitar. I help regular people play guitar from their point of view, from the player's point of view. In this lesson, I'm going to show you some things you can do to embellish these chords without knowing any scales or any notes or anything like that. It's really easy, and more importantly, it's just really fun to do. And of course, I'm going to show you from your point of view. Okay, this is something that is easy, but more importantly, it's fun. I'm capoed on the 3rd fret, and the reason I'm doing that is because the frets are closer together. So this is easier to do, but you can do this open, okay? Because I'm going to talk about open chords. And I'm going to start with 2 chords that you probably already know, some embellishments that you can do. You've seen it done, maybe you're playing it yourself. We'll start with D major. And again, I'm capoed, so I'm just going to say this is the shape. It's a D major shape, okay? If you just think of your chords and think of a 3 fret radius, just try with any free fingers that you have or lifting up. Just try to play with other notes around that chord within a 3 fret radius. So like with the D major, you can lift up your middle finger. So there to open is 3 frets. You can also add your pinky. You can do a combination of the D major closed and then the lifting the middle and then adding the pinky. Well, you can also, on that 3rd string, you can lift it up. There's a song by the Lemonheads called Into Your Arms, and that's the opening to the song. You can also go from there 2 frets over, use your pinky. And you can do this for the 4th string too. REM. So you have all these options and they're all within 3 frets. So just play around with the chord and, you know, sometimes the note doesn't sound right. If it doesn't sound right, don't use it, right? Like the 2nd there. That could be used in some things, but that sounds really good. The next chord that you probably know of some embellishments is the A major, like the blues. All within a 3 fret radius of the chord. But what you might not have ever played around with is on the 2nd string, and then on the 1st string with your pinky, it's another A note. So you can dress that up other than the blues, you know, you can do those higher strings. Now your chords that have a lot of open strings like G and C, within that 3 fret radius, you know, it's just lifting some of those notes up. do a lot. On the second string, change your fingerings up and use your bass note. That ring finger, that's what I was doing in the opening with that finger picking. So then you can utilize a lot of those open strings. I do a lot of like little runs. That's really cool, and you can do the same thing. C and G go together. Now, depending on the fingering of the chord, you know, you don't have as many fingers, you don't have as many options. E major, say. But you still have some options. So anyway, that right there was something that I learned. I didn't know which notes I was playing. It doesn't matter. I didn't know scales. It just doesn't matter. Three fret radius. Just play around and see what sounds good, and then start incorporating that into your playing to dress up your chords. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and go to MyPOVGuitar.com for more lessons. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.